My PSLE maths turned out to be AL1. I was honestly shocked at the results.
I studied E-Math and A-Math at MasterMath in Sec 3 and 4, and I'm now studying in RI.
My confidence for PSLE really increased.
My weak point was circles, and the questions he gave and the explanations really taught me, and it stuck in my head like how to do the certain equations and stuff.
There was a group chat available for me with a few teachers, so I could clear my questions and my doubts, and overall the classes were very engaging, which helped a lot.
With MasterMaths, I think where it helped my son is the time practices. As he mentioned, he had a different tuition and it helped him with concepts, but they focused a lot on the information.
Personally, I think with the help of MasterMath, I was able to be very consistent in my grades.
When it came to P6, I thought that she needs some extra help. Like all other parents, I was also a bit overwhelmed by PSLE.
So before coming to MasterMath, my results was actually very bad for math.
When I found MasterMaths on our Facebook, I took chances in enrolling her and it did not disappoint me.
I realized that there was a huge jump in the syllabus from primary 4 to 5. The problem sums were getting more complex, so I did not do as well as I expected in my primary 5 weighted assessments, and I usually got a AL4 or 5.
At MasterMaths, my teacher would go through every single question. He would really encourage us. He would tell us to, guys, strive on, you can do it.
After joining MasterMath, my results improved and I had a better understanding of word problems and math concepts.
I went for physical classes at Tampines and I live in Choa Chu Kang, so for every lesson I travel from Choa Chu Kang all the way to Tampines.
The classes were very easy to understand and simplified the concepts down to the basics.
As I managed to learn something every time I came here, regardless or not whether I was struggling. So even if I was struggling, I would still be able to grasp something from the teachings on that day.
My son definitely has shown lots of improvements, confidence, and not to mention that he definitely made a great progress. Having AL1 is definitely something amazing for him and for us all.
In the end, I will get AL1 in PSLE Maths.
And I managed to get AL1 from AL2.
I'm very grateful to have that environment at MasterMath because it really helped me with my O-levels. That's one of the reasons why I was able to do well and get into my dream school.
My grades were pretty average for a typical first-time A-Math student in Sec 3, which is like quite a few Fs, and then when you improved to Ds, it was okay. Prelims, I finally got my jump to C5. It got me really excited, and then that, I think, led me to B3 for O-levels.
So I think it really helped. We were very happy with his results. We were pleasantly surprised. I think it was really good.
So for my O-levels, I got an A2 for A-Math.
For math, I achieved AL1, and also for my other subjects, I achieved AL1 in all of them.
After coming to MasterMath, I could actually see a lot of improvement, and this was my results after coming to MasterMath.
I've always been failing maths frequently, but for my N-levels, I managed to get a grade 2.
But I managed to get an AL1 for my PSLE mathematics. I really cannot believe it, but I'm so happy that I managed to reach my goal.
My AL score for maths was about 4 to 5, but after joining MasterMaths, I've really improved to an AL3 for PSLE.
When I got my PSLE results, I was actually shocked and happy to find out that I got an AL1 because it's a very good improvement.
And after coming, I got A2s and A1s.
Before joining MasterMath, I got a D7 for A-Maths, but after joining MasterMath, I got A2 for A-Maths in O-level.